Hi guys, what's up? This is Naveed here from naveedplace.com. As you remember, in the last video we discussed some basic tags and also we discussed heading, or you can say paragraph tag. In this lecture I am going to teach you heading tags, you can say comments tags, HR and BR tags. So let's get started. So the first thing we will learn, that is H1, stand for heading tag. Now don't take tension now that why I am using H1. For instance, if I write here Naveed, or you can say Naveed Place, and if I go in the browser, and as you can see here we have a heading. So keep this in your mind that whenever we need to write heading in our website, so we use H1 tag. Now we have the properties, or we have the styles, you can say, of H1. So what I do, I will just copy this and then I will paste a couple of the times. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here. Now what I do, I will change the 1 from 2, then 2 here, then 3, H3, and then H3 here, then H4 here, okay, H5 and H5 also here, and the last H6. I need to go a little bit further, and here we have H6. Now you will see the difference if I just save this document and I go in the browser. You can see here we have the first, our heading is, you can see here, is bigger, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. So what we learned, that if we have H1 we have the biggest heading, then we have H2 we have less big, or you can say small, then a small, then a small. Now whenever you need to use H1 or heading tag, you have the variety of size. Getting me? So this is H1 tag. Now we will discuss second tag, which is BR tag. What? BR tag. So this I have to write something, and I will take the help, or you can say the license, and I will just paste here. And what is the work of BR tag? For instance, if you want to come second line, if you want to come to second line of your website, so if I enter here and if I go and if I refresh my page, you can see here, even though I gave here the space, or you can say the line, I break the line, but despite there's no indifference I'm seeing here. So why? Because our browsers ignore this space. So is there any way to give space or to come to second line? Yes, we have the way. What we have the way? We have to write here BR tag. What? BR tag. Now if BR tag we write, and if I refresh the page, as you can see here, modifies under, and after that the line is coming the second line. So whenever we need to give the space, or whenever we need to come the second line, we use what? We use the tag of BR tag. The second thing we need, that is HR tag. What? HR tag. And keep this in your mind that we don't close BR tag. Okay, it's up to you if you want, but we don't close. Then we have HR tag. What we have? HR tag. Now what is the work of HR tag? See here, it gives us a line, horizontal line. So whenever we want to give horizontal line in our website, we use the tag HR. Now the last thing is remaining, that is you can say HTML comment tags. Now why do we use comment tag? comment basically we use for giving information to ourselves. It is just for human beings. For instance, if I write the tag here, exclamation marks, then so whatever will be written in this tag, it will not appear in our website. For example, you can also write on your own language site, don't appear. Okay, don't, or you can say don't see, cannot see, say. Then I will go and refresh, and you can see here nothing was affected. Why? Because comments are basically for human beings. Now the question may arise in your mind, okay, if it doesn't come in a website, so what is the use of this comment? As you know, in a social media or social website, we give the comments. These are own comments. This is not the comment of anyone else. It's our own comment. So basically similar here when we are talking about comments. So if, for example, if you want to make anybody understand, so we use comment tag. And for example, talk about this, as you can see here now how huge our website is becoming, tags. And after we make a whole you can say page, and if you want to see something and if you want to understand what is the work of this basically specific tag, so we can use comments. And if we write here comment, the work of this tag is to give us horizontal line, so it will be good for us to understand and it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so basically what did we learn in this lecture? We learned heading tags, BR tag, HR tag, and the last we learned comment tag. So I hope you understood and enjoy my work. So inshallah we will meet in the next lecture. So Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.